Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Luna. If you do not know me, welcome. Today I am doing an unboxing video for you guys and I am so excited. I love subscription boxes. I think they're so much fun and it's like a little present you send yourself once a month. It's amazing. I love it. And so this is one of the witchy subscription boxes that I have been subscribed to for the past almost year. So I've been with them for a while and I have always loved their stuff. And then they reached out and wanted to collaborate and I was like, I literally screamed. I was like, oh my God. I love this brand. So I thought I would share that with you guys. And if you guys like these videos, let me know. I can do more of these. I think it's so much fun just to sit down and talk to you guys and unbox things and have a little fun party time. So yeah, oh my God, sir. No, you can stay. You can stay. You're a little shy now. Without further ado, unless Mr. has anything left to say, I think we will get started. If you guys don't know me, like I said, my name's Luna. Please make sure to subscribe, comment, share this, do whatever you can if you like and support my little life. I also have a podcast called Good Witch, Bad Bitch that you can listen to. Honey, no. We do not do this here. Please stop. I try to post new podcast episodes every Friday, though I am a senior in college, trekking through the pandemic. So when I miss episodes, I cry. So don't worry, there's always something happening. And I also have a Patreon if you want to support me in that way. And I do lots of fun, exclusive little things on there. It's honestly just my little group chat where I just send stuff to them. And yeah, thank you guys. Okay, let's get started. So for anybody who doesn't know, Witchy One does mostly jewelry stuff. Lots of times they'll include a crystal or other little knickknacks that are kind of jewelry-esque. I will include their links down below, their Instagram. It's just called Witchy One Box, and then you can follow, I don't know how to say it, Totem Stone? And it's the owners. It's the owners page, and I will just link it all because I get nervous about pronouncing things. So yeah, this is the box from, I think this is the February box. They send out, for me, they send out around the 28th. So I usually get it around the 1st of the next month, okay? And there's usually a bit of a theme. And this month's theme was aromatherapy and stuff like that, which I was so interested in because that's something I haven't explored too much. Let's just get in. I've been talking so much. Okay, they include a sheet that I will be reading off of with a little artwork piece on the back, and I'll show a little video I have by my calendar, all the artwork that, some things that I've made, but also whatever artwork comes in my boxes that I order, because there's always artwork and I love that, and it's so beautiful. So I'll read off this and let you guys know what we're looking at. First thing that I'm grabbing is this. It comes in a cute little purple velvet bag. One thing I really love about this company is that I've acquired so many bags because they wrap their things so amazingly and it's all so well packaged, and then you have all these bags for little things and protection. So this is the first item. And this is the Garnet spoon necklace, and this is worth $16. And I'll go ahead and read you guys what it says. It says, "The spoon is a long-standing symbol of nourishment. I am tuning into self-care myself these days on whole new levels, and felt called to create this garnet spoon necklace as an amulet of remembrance. Remember that within your life, sustenance begins with you entirely. What you nourish and care for within expand outwards like a field of lively wildflowers. We've all picked up blockages throughout our lives that hinder self-care on some level. May this spoon remind you in a way of your divinity. You are deserving." How cute. And it's just really beautiful. And this is something that I would not have gone out and bought, but I genuinely like it a lot. I really, really like this. I think it's beautiful. And I love that she includes the meaning behind it. And genuinely, almost all of my jewelry that I wear, I'm not wearing my bracelets today, but you guys know I wear my bracelets a lot. I wear a lot of crystal necklaces, and probably 80 or 90% of my jewelry comes from this company because they just send the coolest stuff. Okay, next is this Aromatherapy book, and I have not received a book in one of these boxes before, and I'm such a book nerd. You guys know I have so many videos on here of like my favorite spiritual books, book hauls, this and that. I just love books, and like I'm obsessed with buying them. So I haven't bought an aromatherapy book, so getting this was so exciting because I was like, okay, you know, this is probably a sign that I need to start looking into this and getting, you know, a bit more knowledgeable about this. And it looks super, super good. I haven't read it yet because I have literally like stacks of books on my waiting list, and every time I go buy more books, they just stack up higher. So I have not read this yet, but I am genuinely really, really looking forward to it. Tons of super cool stuff, and like I said, I'm not super knowledgeable about aromatherapy or anything, so I'm kind of going into this with like a very fresh like mindset. Like I don't have any expectations, I don't know what to expect, and I'm just excited. And I'll read to you what she says. And so this book is $20, and she says, I love books and am always on the lookout for one to include in our Witchy One boxes. This looked like a fantastic reference book on essential oils and how to utilize their medicine for specific healing and self-care purposes, be it in a foot bath, facial steam, or dabbed on your new, spoiler, I won't say that yet, because we haven't opened that yet. You know, earrings. I think this is a wonderful addition to any witch's collection. Super exciting. I'm pumped. I don't want to spoil things for you guys, I'm sorry. I was about to spoil something. Next is the thing I was about to spoil. Okay, I don't know how to say this. I don't know how to say this. It might be French, and I'm really, really bad at French. I'm like famously bad for trying to speak French words. Fleur de lis, wooden earrings. Did I do it right? I speak Spanish. I don't know how to say that. Okay, they are $14. Let me pull them out for you guys. Came in this cute little wooden box, like little cardboard box. And it says, these earrings called to me as I have recently delved deep into the ancient roots of the fleur de lis symbol, and I see it within the shape of these earrings. Many do not know, but this is one potent symbol. It is referenced to as an iris flower, a symbol of purity, and yet it is so much more. The divine feminine, the sacred portal. The fleur de lis symbolizes the sacred portal in which we travel through to be born into this life. Wear these as a reminder that you are a cosmic traveler. You move through realms and your origins are vast. When we move through life with this restored wisdom, we find an indescribable freedom that empowers us tremendously. I don't know why I'm struggling so much today with talking, but I appreciate your patience, you guys, because I'm losing it a bit. The tongue is not connecting to the brain. I need to open the throat chakra. Next item comes in a black velvet bag, similar to the purple one before, and this is the Fox Totem Stone. And this retails for $4, and I don't know if I said, but the earrings were $14. This totem stone is 4, and she says, keep this fox totem crystal near when you need to be able to be nimble and maneuver situations and environments with more stealth and grace. With this, seek to understand how fox can enable you to choose in the future more according to your own personal needs. In this way, you can then utilize fox's medicine of sustained grace. This is super cute, super pretty, and I really like these like totem symbols. She's done a couple where there have been like totem animals, and I have them on my bookshelves, and I just really, really love them. And I don't really, it might just be where I'm at in the world. I'm like in the Midwest, so I don't come across a lot of really cool things like this in my personal like metaphysical shops or anything. So yeah, just little knickknacks like this I really, really love. And lastly, I try not to destroy the bag, but it's really cute. This is a Quartz Arrowhead, $3, and just a simple Quartz Arrowhead. Oh, I'm sorry, buddy, are you okay? This says, a simple power piece for finding direction in any given situation with clarity. There is a place within where we know exactly what we wish, but the world abounds with influence. Let this quartz arrowhead assist you in finding stillness of the mind and clarity of the inner knowing. May you always pave your own way with authenticity. I love that. And I think quartz is just a great crystal because you can use it for literally anything. And I try to make sure that I have a quartz pretty reachable whatever room I'm in, or in my purse or whatever. It's really just like a good staple crystal piece to have. And I love the arrowhead and how it's just like, it's supposed to help you with like direction. And also these can be used similarly to like selenite wands. And like if you make your own type of like wand, because it is so pointed, that energy's like moving forward. And so you can use that in like cleansing or other things. So I really like arrowhead shapes, and yeah. That's the box. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I've been a little bit all over the place. Yeah, it's been a wild week. I've been wanting to do this video for literally like 2 weeks, and I have been so busy, so I'm so excited that I finally got to share this with you guys. And I hope you enjoyed. I really, really love this company, and I didn't mention before, it's $20 for the box. Oh my god. My cats are knocking over everything. It is $20 for the box and $5 for shipping, so it comes out to be $25 a month, which is super like cheap on the grand scheme of like subscription boxes. That's definitely like the lower end, and I feel like it really does pay off. And especially if you're not somewhere where you can easily access like a bunch of different like metaphysical items or things that you're really looking for, like my metaphysical stores, I love them so much, but it is very, very, you kind of go in and you kind of like, you're like, okay, there's something in here for me, but it's not just like tons of things all over the place, tons of options. It's not like that. So I love having this, and I just look forward to it every single month. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful. I hope Mr. is not being too loud. Lucy's asleep on the floor, and he's just like, no one's paying attention to me. I need to knock things over. So make sure to show Mr. attention in the comments so he doesn't scream. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time.